kaibigan. Hayaan niyo lang ako ang magpakilala sa susunod na mga aawit. Alam kong sabik na kayong makita siya. Mga kaibigan, the one and only, Miss Elizabeth Ramsey.
Si Rick, ay kasama ko nung araw sa Clover. Dalawa na lang kami natira, batay na lahat. I would like to say good evening, Father. If you are still here, please bless me tonight, for I will commit so many sins. I will not promise you, Father, that I will not commit, but in my situation, I will commit. Beforehand, bago lahat mga kaibigan, allow me to say good evening to different kinds of languages in the Philippines, okay? First of all, I would like to say, now that I'm in America, I would like to say good evening to our foreign exchange. Amerikano yan, Amerikano. So, I will have to explain to you that my English tonight is not comfortable. It is out of order. So if I speak Tagalog, I speak English, you will have to forgive me because I'm not paid. Now, I would like to see in Tagalog, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ngayon naman, dito naman tayo ngayon sa ibang lugar sa Pilipinas. Pagdating mo ngayon doon sa bandang unahan ng konti sa Pampanga, that's another good evening. Nasalo ang bola sa titi. Kapampangan! Ngayon, we go to the other side in Mayon Volcano sa Bicol. The good evening there is different. Mga uragon kamo. Now, I went to Japan, ladies and gentlemen. Different good evening in Japan because sila nakatayong ganun kasi mga sakang sila. Pero magalang sila. They're very respectable. Ano sila, when they say good evening, the serious physical injuries is coming out like that. Very serious, very serious. Ano ba kayo? Dito na kayo. No, that's okay. It's up to you to catch my English. If you don't catch, go home. So, the Japanese, the Japanese say good evening like this. Kumbawa ni, Toyota ni, ano ini, Suzuki ni, isuksok ni. That's Japanese. Japanese. I'm explaining Japanese. Ngayon, we all go to the other place. It's another good evening. Sa mga Bisaya naman, ang good evening ay ito. Maayong gabi sa inyong tanan, pesting yawa. Now, this time, I will be very careful kasi mga kaibigan, I was taught by Juki Reno to speak Ilocano. But I'm not sure if my tongue is in condition. But I will say it surely, carefully, and slowly. I do not want to commit mistake with this kasi nagkakaya kay Presidente Marcos, ayaw ko magalit ang kaluluwa na. Kaya mahal na mahal ako ng tao niyon, kaya ingatan ko talaga ito mga kaibigan. Ang good evening sa Ilocos ay ganito. Naimbag, nagabii, nga naiyot sa amin. Ay, tumama din. Okay, music please, music. Di yata bumalik ang baywang ko.